Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. We're looking at pirouette shades and you can see it here in the open position. But I want to talk about the different types of mechanisms. The standard one is a continuous cord loop, kind of like a chain on a bicycle. And most people are choosing motorization at this point. So when you do motorization, there are two primary choices. There's the Power View, also Power View Plus, we can get into that another time. And then there is what this one has called SoftTouch. Now SoftTouch is a great motorization system. It's very efficient. The dog likes efficiency. That's for sure. It's less expensive, which is nice, but it has some limitations. So I'm just going to show you how it works. The wand is right here, and the wand is right here. And if you notice very carefully, right there, it has a magnet on it. So as it gets closer, it will grab automatically, very, very easily. In order to operate the shade, you just give the wand a gentle pull down, like this. You'll notice that the shade is moving, and it's going to go to the position at the very bottom unless you stop it. If we were to, well, I'll just show you. I just gave the wand a little tug up, and either way would do it. And when you do that, it'll stop wherever you want. If I do it again and then let it go, it goes to the position at the bottom. That gives it a little bit of a shape, but it is not open. In order to do that, you need to pull on it again. So I give it a little tug, and now it goes to the fully open position. It's intentionally done very slowly as far as opening up, because if you want to stop it, you have to give it that tug in order to stop it. I'll show you again. So let's say I have it in the position it was in before, and now I want to stop it. I'm going to pull down, and I want to stop it right there. I just give it another little tug, and you can see that the gap here is significantly different from the one over there. So that is the SoftTouch. And when it comes to how this works, and by the way, when it's brand new, do you see these little bows in the material? It needs a little time to break itself in, so I usually give it a little hand rubbing there just to make sure that it goes up flat and doesn't create any wrinkles on the fabric. So that is the SoftTouch motorization from Hunter Douglas, and I thank you very much for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.